Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today with an unboxing of a paper collection that I picked up from peachycheap.com. I did get this collection, I believe it was back in April, but I've been super busy and didn't have a chance to share, and so I thought I would do that today. And I actually do have a few other collections that I've gotten from a number of places, and we'll probably have some videos coming up featuring some of those. But in the meantime, this is the one that we're sharing today, and it's called Honey and Bee, and it is by Fancy Pants Designs. Like I said, it came from Peachy Cheap, and I believe the cost was $14.99, and it included the 2 packs of ephemera as well as the paper collection. Let's start out with the ephemera. So this pack here came with 54 pieces, and I'm going to give you a close-up look of the pieces it comes with. I know there's going to be a little bit of glare. I'm very sorry for that, but that will let me be able to get through this really quickly. So in here, and I'm not going to show you everything, but just a few. This looks like a mini postcard, and it's totally adorable. There are a number of florals in here. This is really cute. It looks like a sun with floral leaves going around. We've got some little ticket pieces. Here is an adorable little bee. Yeah, this would have been great for a bee swap earlier in the year, but I just didn't have the time to participate in one. This is cute. Be yourself. Little watering can. Just all kinds of fun stuff here. Look at this here. I love this bicycle. We've got this cute bag and a matching hat. So anyway, lots of fun stuff here. We've got birds, and we got a little flying bug here, this cute little apron. And I'm not going to go through all of these, just give you a quick peek. We've got books and bees and more flowers and more bee stuff and this cute little kite here. So that is one of the ephemera packs. And then we have this one here, and this is the cards and tags. I will give you a close-up of the packet there. So that's got some repeat pieces from the other collection, but also some new pieces. And this has 23 pieces in the pack. We've got this cute tag here, and this one says "Be kind" on a ticket. We have a little doily here. We've got actually a couple of doilies in a couple of colors. Be happy, cute little envelope, and I think this is from that other pack as well. Here's another tag. Yeah, really cute pieces. Great for layering. Here's that bag, but only in the bigger style. Be beautiful. Honeybee. So cute, so cute. There's that bicycle again. That one's really cute. I love this postcard. Be yourself, and another ticket, and then we've got some little border pieces here. So those were the 2 ephemera packs that came with this. And here's the design collection itself. You get 2 of each of 6 designs, so they're 12 sheets of 12 by 12s. And I believe there's a sticker sheet in here as well. Yeah, I think there is. So here is the first page, and I think, do you get 2 of each, did I say? Yeah, you get 2 of each. So look at this one here. It's got sort of a bluish gray background, and the bees are in browns and pinks. So that's really pretty. And this side is a gorgeous bouquet of wildflowers, and that's an all-over design. So pretty. Here we've got a wood grain, and this is sort of a minty green kind of a color. Really pretty. And then we've got this gigantic floral one here, and that also is an all-over design. Very pretty. I think a 6x6 or a 6x8 pad of this would be great to have in one stash too, but I don't have it. I just got this. So, and then here we've got this pretty floral, pinks and greens and dark grays, just really pretty. The back side has the bee pattern on it. Really cute. Then we have this one here. Kind of reminds me of a skirt I once had. Sort of like a pinstripe, but not exactly. And it's sort of a pale, pale, pale bluish white color with dark gray stripes. And this side has these gorgeous bumblebees. Love, love, love. So cute. Here is a nice background sheet here with the flowers on it. Very pretty. And then this one here is cute. The hives and the honey and the bees. All the words all over there. Kind of reminds me of a subway tile format. And then here, the last two sheets of design paper, we've got a honeycomb sheet, and this is like a light off-white. And the back side is another floral. Really, really pretty with the dusty blue in the background. And here is the sticker sheet, and these are super, super cute. Love the ladies. Look at that little bee there. Here's your fancy pants. Your honey jar with the honey dipper. We've got florals and bicycles. And here's that basket with the flowers in it. Here's a beautiful lady in a dress. Here's some of the lace borders. More of the fancy pants. We've got a little apron there. And this is beautiful. Be bright. Be yourself. Be happy and be you. There's that stack of books and that cute little postcard there. Flowers, bows, bees, just really, really cute. Yeah, so that is what I had to share with you today. This is, once again, the Honey and Bee collection that I picked up from Peachy Cheap. $14.99 for the 12 sheets of paper, double-sided, as well as the sticker sheet, and 2 packs of ephemera. So I think that's a great deal, and I love this paper. I hope you enjoyed it too, and that you'll come back and see the next unboxing of paper collections that I'm going to have, and I will catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.